keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5th. Subject Environmental Studies. Part 1. Topic Transport. Part 2. Students, in the last part, we have seen the various advantages of modern means of transport, and we have also learned the various effects of air pollution on animals and plants. Now, let's go ahead, students. Let's learn more. As students, we have already seen that air pollution affects animals and plants in many ways. So, students, from this, we realize that we should cultivate a habit such as walking short distance or riding a bicycle for slightly longer distance. In this way, students, we can avoid the use of fuel burning vehicles and reduce pollution. At other times, using public or a private transport can save time and effort, students. In this way, we can reduce the severity of the harmful effects of transportation. Students, the following are some more remedies for reducing pollution. The first one we are going to see over here is using fuels that causes less pollution. The fuel that should be used should cause less pollution, students. Secondly, we are going to see over here is timely maintenance and repair of vehicles. The vehicles should be maintained timely and repairing should be done. The third one we are going to see for reducing pollution, students, is using public transport as far as possible. So students, as far as possible, we should use public transport for going from one place to another. The fourth one over here is using private vehicles only when necessary. Let's go ahead, students. The next one is planting trees, especially indigenous or local varieties like banyan, peepal, neem, karanj, etc. So, and we need to care for them. These trees adapt easily to the local environment and help in enhancing biodiversity. Sixth one over here is avoiding fuels that cause pollution using fuels such as LPG or CNG for vehicles. Students, these all were the remedies for reducing pollution. Let's go ahead, students. Always remember, students, our environment is sensitive. That is why pollution has destructive effect on it. These effects are harmful for all living things, including us. So, it is very necessary to prevent pollution, students. Do you all know, students, that in this modern time we use cars, ships, and aeroplanes that run on fuel? But students, in the olden days, ships did not use such engines. They had sail which helped to use the force of the wind. They were called sailing ships. Students, in those days, people traveled all over the world on these ships. Now, students, let us understand advantages of using bicycle. The first one you can see over here is by using bicycle, we can have physical exercise, which is good for our health. The second advantage over here we can see is small loads can easily carry. If we are using bicycle, it does not cause any sort of pollution, which is very good for our environment, students. The next advantages of bicycle is it is self-reliance. It also saves time. It can be stored in a small space. And using bicycle, it saves our money as it doesn't require any sort of fuel in it. Less crowding of vehicles on the street. These all were the advantages of using bicycle. So students, let us summarize what we have learnt. We have learned the various beneficial and harmful effects of transportation. We have also seen the judicious use of means of transport, the danger to the nature due to the pollution caused by various means of transport, remedies for various types of pollution. That's all for today, students. Keep learning new things every day. Thank you.